Hi, this is a tutorial for when you have a essential grid all built out and you're ready to put it on your page, but you don't know what to do. So we have an essential grid here that's ready to go, free book recommendations. I'm going to copy this shortcode right here. And I'm going to go over to edit page in however you've decided to create it. In this case, this is already created using the block editor. And previously we had this list here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just delete this block, and now I'm going to add another block. I don't know why the block arrow never appears. It only seems to appear under the second to last block, so I'm just going to add a block and then move it around. So I actually want to add a code block or an HTML block. I'm not sure which one it's called in this case. Okay, custom HTML. And just for ease, I'm going to go ahead and move it down. I think it's really dumb. See how these little arrows only appear on the second to last block? Like, what if I want to add a block to the end? I guess you could do it over there. So I'm just going to paste the code, and then we will do preview, just make sure everything looks good. Everything looks great. So then I would want to update and of course view your page, make sure it's all good. Looks great. Now, if you ever need a change, you do something and you're like, oh my gosh, now I can't undo it. If you go over here to revisions, usually you're going to have the last 5 revisions saved. So you click revisions, give it a second, and it's going to show you who's revised it. And you can just go back to your last revision. So you can kind of scroll through there and then just restore that version if you want. And I know there's a lot of codes. So you just have to kind of know, like, well, I know it was right 3 days ago, so I'm going to record that or restore that. So I know it was right 7 days ago, I'm going to restore that. So there you go.